Good morning, YouTube. It is pressure testing day for Sabelo. I'm going to test him on his ability to survive a knife attack in a closed space. The idea is he's going to have to implement whatever we've been teaching, and we've created a barrier now to represent him going out the door, and he has to get out and actually touch the bag there for safety. We're going to demonstrate staying and fighting and grappling is not ideal. Let's just see what happens. We're starting with the longest range, then I'm closing the mid-range, then I'm closing to close range, and we're going to see how it deals, and then later on we'll deal with the clench. Push me. What's up? Yo. Very good. He passed. Let's just test it one more time. Why do you look so nervous? Yo! Let's say I do cut you off, then you're going to have to spin off. One more time. Okay, very good. Fast. Okay, we close that range. He's going to void encounter. Okay. Exactly. Making this nice. Reset. Good. Again. Good. Okay, now we're closing the range. It's going to be forced to block. There's more. Okay, man, nice place you have here. Very good. Okay. I've been leading. Ice pick. Maybe we switch the angle. What's up? Good. One more time. Very good. Shot. Very good. Okay. Sabelo is a professional boxer, so I think he's, you can see how important the striking skill is. Okay, again, if he has that range, you can push it. That's it. Now, uppercuts will be. Pass. Knife deployment. What was that distance on it? Take me to the wall. Move. Don't worry about the safety. All I care about is the law. You see, you can close at any point. That's fine. That's fine. When you feel you can close, close. Even if you catch it. Yeah. Oh, good, 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 good. That's it, that's it. Push me. Yes. Nice. That's it, that's it, that's it. Good. Take it to the ground. Good. Yes. Hey, put the mask on. That's it. Exactly. Good. Now let's look control. Don't move. Hey. Only move to the right moment. Smart. Smart one. Take the gun. Distance, distance, distance. Kill everyone. Fucking bang. Shoot it. Kill it.